So they may ask for exams. Reverse hyperconjugation you can say. And which compounds you will have that Gauch anti more stable form? Yes. Here you write CH2, single bond CH2, here OH and here X is there. This type of compound where X is equal to F, NH2, okay, NHR, NR2 and OR. So whenever X is this, then what is the stability, children? Gauch more stable than staggered or anti-form, we'll write simply anti or anti-staggered. Next, eclipsed. Okay. So just the structure you write. This type of structure in which X is either fluorine or NH2 or NHR or OR. In those four cases, which is more stable form? Gauch. The stability orders only they will ask. One more important question. I will give some compounds here. You tell me in which case this conformational isomerism is shown. Okay. So first case, which of the following will show conformational isomerism? A, B is N2H4, CH3OH, CH3OH, H2O2, E. NH2OH. What is NH2OH called? Hydroxylamine. Rohit not. Sohaib, write this question. Important. Sohaib, Akhtar. Yes. Now, which of the following compounds will show? Tell, you know this? Which of the following compounds exhibit stereoisomerism? That is conformational isomerism. Which of the following will show conformational isomerism? Yes, tell this, very important. CH3, CH3, N2H4, CH3OH, H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. This is hydroxylamine. And CH2 double bond CH2 means alkene. Alkene. Can you see? This is also propene. And this is N2H2. N2H2 means azo compound type. Like N double bond H2 will be there. Yes. First one will show or not? Yes. Correct. Second one N2H4. Yes or not? Yes. Why? Because here one lone pair will be there. You think that it's not, but generally N and N you can take. One is H, other one is H, next is lone pair you can take, children. Okay? So you can exhibit. CH3OH will show or not? Yes. CH3OH also will show. Understanding? How means one carbon, one oxygen. Oxygen, two lone pair electrons you can take. H2O2 also will show. H2O2 also will show. NH2OH. NH2OH. Yes. This does not show. F. Because geometrical isomer, double bond is there. And G does not show. H does not show. Because N double bond N is there. This is the compound. So left side everything will show. Because you may get doubt, but oxygen two lone pairs will be there. Because of that it will show. Understand this question? So they may ask, the most stable form of ethane is, which form? Ethane is more stable? Staggered form only. Ethane generally has staggered and eclipsed form, where the hydrogens are apart from each other, and eclipsed means all are very close. Fine, children. That is about conformational isomerism. In which case, now this is also important. One time they asked, but this is a little higher level. CH2 NH3 plus is there, and here CH2 COO minus is there. For this, which is more stable? Means gauge form or staggered form or NH3 plus and that. Gauge form only. Gauge form only more stable. Without fine. Next last question in this. Last question in conformational isomerism. Which of the following cases gauge form is more stable? Which of the following cases gauge form is more stable? Gauchy form, they will say gauge, anything noun we can say anyhow. Gauge form is more stable. Yes. First one, you can't see tellra. CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called glycol. If three are there, that is called glycerol. Like you know. Yes, CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called as glycol. If three are there, trihydric alcohol, that is glycerol. Okay. Next, second case, CH2 NH2 and CH2OH. This is the second one. So these are the questions. Those who are preparing for mains, for them it will be useful. Integer type of questions they will ask. JE, JW mains. Okay. Need people also write. Don't think that for us. Okay. The question pattern may change. What man? Tell. No problem. CH3, CHOH, CHOH, CH3. This is the fifth one. CH2OH, F. Seventh one. CH2OH, OCH3. Eighth one. CH2ClBr. Okay? Yeah, just only tick you do. Which of the following compounds gauge form is more stable? Yes, last bench can see, na? In middle only one structure you can't see, I think. Seventh structure, right? That also when little you can see. Which of the following gauge form is more stable? After that, we will see geometrical isomer. Where is your degree? Degree was? Yes, no. Okay, 3 days. Or 3 days you will be absent. Read it. Tick. Which of the following gauge form is more stable? Correct. As of now, correct. It's only example. Eight also eight. Yes. Have you done? No. Why? You check this. You can check. Which are not actually yes. Read it. Which will show? Read. This won't show. So you are not writing the notes. This I told exception called Gaussian effect. Eight questions का 8 में और किसी तो करेगा वही एक्सेप्शन है. Yes, see children, first one will show, second one will show because NH2OH. I told the notes here only it is there. See, F, NH2, NHR, OR. Right? Dihalogen compounds won't show, means anti is more stable here. But F is there means Gauge is more stable. That is called Gauge effect. I told. Fifth one show, sixth one also will show because OH F is there. See here X is F. Seventh one will show. This is OR children. OR. Eighth one does not show because two halogens. That's it. Except the fourth and eighth one, remaining all will show. Will show means in all other forms Gauge is more stable. Remaining forms anti is more stable. Dihalogen compounds do not show if the halogen is chlorine, bromine, iodine. If it is F, then it is F only motion. Right. Now we will see the next part, that is what?